Hi, my name is Lindsay Till, and I'm here to discuss my marriage prep plan. And I had three objectives. They were to get in better shape, to read my scriptures daily, and the last one was like speaking up for myself when I am upset. So for the first one, I want to get in better shape. My plan was to set 10 minutes out of my day to do yoga or some type of basic exercise. And if I can follow that plan for 2 weeks, then I'll move to 15 minutes a day and just keep bumping it up until I can hopefully get to 20 minutes, if not 30 minutes a day. My plan for holding myself accountable was to tell my dad and my stepmom. I live with them, so I thought that was going to be a good way to keep myself accountable because they do live with me. I also have two young kids, so I thought I would include them just so they could join me since I'd be doing these exercises in the living room, and I thought it'd be a good family kind of bonding experience. And my plan was also to mark in my calendar, if I was able to work out. So I picked like red. If I marked on my calendar red, I did not work out. If it was like green, then I will work out and I met my goal. And I felt like it went really well. I felt like my kids really enjoyed it. They started asking when we were going to work out every day. So that really, excuse me, I'm so sorry. My kids started asking me every single day when we were going to do it. So that really helped keep me motivated because they enjoyed doing it. And so I was able to actually meet my goal of getting 20 minutes a day, and I just felt a lot better after the, how many weeks was it? 5 or 6, something like that, if not more. I felt really good, and I'm still doing it, and my kids still ask every day. It's already a very strong habit, so I hope that I can continue this even after the semester ends. Just because my kids are still asking to do it, so I feel like they're going to continue asking me to do it. So that'll be a lot of fun to do with them each day. For my spiritual habit, I wanted to read my scriptures daily, so my plan was to set aside 10 minutes a day to read my scriptures, and I made this possible by doing it before I did my homework. So if I was going to do homework, I was like, I got to read my scriptures first. And that mindset of I have to do this before I do my homework really helped. And to hold myself accountable, I have a friend who also made this goal for a different class. And so we were kind of reminding each other to do it and, telling each other what we kind of read. And we also, me and my friend, both decided to write in our journal after we did this. So I bought a journal specifically for reading my scriptures, and just having a specific place for it to go really helped in, making sure I did it. I had, its own kind of notebook and everything. That was really nice. This goal really helped me do better with my homework. I felt like I was more focused in what I was doing in my homework. My grades even improved after I started doing this. I know it's going to be a little difficult to continue this once we're on break and I'm not doing homework, so I'm hoping I can keep this mindset for when school starts in January and I can continue to read my scriptures before I do my homework. For my last goal, I want to be better about speaking up for myself when I'm upset. This is a communication skill, and it'll be better. It'll help me, communicate to the people I am friends with, in relationships with, have family, to let them know, because in the past I tend to not tell people what's going on, and then when I eventually do tell them, it's a lot bigger problem than if I had just told them when it initially happened. So my plan was to, if someone upset me, then I will pull them aside and talk to them privately and, work on a solution with them. If there was like no conflict opportunity, then I was gonna try to just communicate with more people in my life and let them know how I'm feeling just in general, just because I feel like it's easy to communicate any and all feelings if you are always doing it. I have a friend who I told about my plan. She'll remind me of it, and I gave her updates this whole time. And I also added this into my journal for the scriptures. So I had my journal section, and then I had a little like subsection below it where I wrote everything down. So that was really nice. This goal really pushed me to build myself and stand up for myself. I am actually divorced, and my ex-husband is a very high conflict person, and that's why I wanted to work on this, is because I really felt like I couldn't speak up for myself, and now that I'm divorced, I need to be speaking up for myself and my children. So I really pushed myself to make my voice heard and make sure my needs and my kids' needs were put first. So that's how it went, and I felt like it was a really good semester, and I really grew a lot with this project. So thank you.